Have you ever wanted to add a realistic embossed effect to a drawing or texture in Photoshop? Today, I'll show you a super easy method to create depth and make your designs look even more stunning. Let's get started. For this effect, we'll need two images: the base image, or texture, and the relief image, which should look like this. Select the relief image layer and go to Filter, Stylize, Emboss. In this window, adjust the angle, height, and amount until you get the right depth for your design. Duplicate the relief image layer. On the first layer, change the blend mode to hard light and adjust the opacity. On the second layer, go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, and adjust the levels to create a mask effect. Now rename this layer to More Light. Change the blend mode to Screen and tweak the opacity. Now the relief effect looks more realistic. Select both relief layers, group them, and rename the group to Relief Simulation. Let's test this simulation on a lighter color texture. Duplicate the Relief Simulation group and move it above the light-colored texture. To make the effect work better, adjust the opacity. More light and less embossing. Now, let's see how it looks in the darker color texture. Again, duplicate the group, Relief Simulation, and move it above the dark texture. This time, we need less light and more embossing to make the effect pop. And that's it. Now your design has an amazing realistic relief effect. In the next video, I'll show you how to apply this effect to a floor texture. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tips.